It is a forewarned weather alert day across southeastern Michigan, given that we are under an enhanced risk of seeing severe storms later on this afternoon into the early evening hours. Once again, just to break this down for you, an enhanced risk is level 3 on a 5-level scale. This is one of the strongest risk factors that we have seen so far this season. Damaging winds are likely with the storms that we will see this afternoon and evening, that they could be greater than 65 miles per hour. And then we have the possibility of hail on the larger side, maybe even bigger than ping pong ball size. But that's a secondary threat, as is the potential for some localized flooding with heavy rainfall. And I'm not going to rule out an isolated tornado, though the straight line winds could be just as damaging as a tornado as this rolls through. The time frame 2 to 9 p.m. today. So those severe threats, once again, wind, high level of seeing some damaging winds, moderate level for hail, and lower end for flooding and tornadoes, but still elevated from a calm day. Clouds and radar forecasts show the organization of the disturbance up to our northwest. We're going to keep a very close eye on that system, but a warm front lifts north ahead of it, and that could trigger a couple scattered storms before the line becomes more organized. So 72 clear skies right now in Detroit with a light southwesterly breeze. A little muggy out there, but the humidity is expected to rise as we progress throughout the day. Just shy of 60 in Ann Arbor, where a lot of folks were waking up to some patchy fog. Rest of us in the 60s and even some low 70s, though we have dipped at Metro Airport to 66. City Airport still reporting 72. So your muggy meter today, if you see anything in the darker shade of green, that would indicate some higher humidity levels. We have that on tap for today. Taking you into your Friday, it's going to look like much of the same. So today, tomorrow, Friday, that's what we're dealing with until Saturday and Sunday. We start to dip a little bit farther south with that humidity, bringing some drier, more comfortable conditions for the weekend. So clouds and radar forecast. Let's take you through the timeline. Sunshine to start, few thin high clouds by 11. 2 o'clock overcast skies, and I think that's when we start to see some of these isolated discrete cells firing off to our west. This does push eastward, so by 3, we do have some strong pockets of storms pushing through the area. This is going to lift into the thumb by about 4. So here's the back edge of this. We have a window from about 4 to probably 7 where we're going to be drier unless you're in that northern edge of the thumb. So 6 o'clock, a lot of us dealing with overcast skies. Then we have this secondary wave coming through by 8, and that's impacting Wayne County at that point. Couple little discrete cells on the back edge of this by 9, but a lot of this pushing out by about 11 o'clock or so. So if you're going to be downtown today for the Beyonce concert, you want to have that umbrella and be weather aware, and we'll have to kind of just wait and see what happens with that Tigers game. Rainfall forecast for today looking like the heaviest rain is going to track along and south of I-96, and the latest run coming in with the data showing the heaviest off on the east side, maybe greater than 1.5 inches. Otherwise, we top out close to 90 this afternoon with those storms firing off after 2. Marginal risk for some stronger storms come Friday, and that's going to time out to be in the later part of the day. So another evening round of storms for your Friday forecast. Here's a look at your future forecast. So we'll be in the 90s through Friday before catching a break this weekend, where we're more seasonal in the 80s and a better start to the next work week.